Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another unboxing video of the carbon fiber case for the Poco C3. And most of y'all had been asking me to do just a case review for this, and I got a very cheap deal guys on Amazon. It is just available for 149 rupees, so I would highly recommend this. Also check out the description because I've given the buyback link on Amazon, and this is very flexible TPU case. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any video. If you can see the quality of this particular case guys, it is not that great. I would say it will not even protect your phone. Let me just show you my other case which I have presently on my phone. And as you can see from this particular case guys, it is very sort of rigid. Even it is very difficult to get this particular case out of my phone, and would suggest you all to buy this case only if you are into getting a case which is very sort of for minimalistic and daily use, and maybe just as an alternative to your main case, just in case if you want to if you're fond of that black color, then definitely to get this particular case guys. And if you can see, the cutouts etc are not that great, so I actually do not recommend this particular case, but just for fun you all can just try it because it is very cheap for 149 rupees. And on Amazon you get some great deals guys for especially this particular phone, the Poco C3. And I'd been using this phone for about a year, and this is just available for 7500. Also on certain sites like Amazon and Flipkart, you will definitely get discount for the big billion day sale etc. Let me just compare my old case with this, and as you can see, it is very slim compared to my older case. So just in case if you are looking just to carry around and without the bulk etc, then definitely consider this particular case because it is very cheap, just for 149. And this is not going to protect your camera etc because it is not having this raised lip, so I do not recommend this for heavy protection. And this carbon fiber is sort of fake, but gets a job done, and it is very flexible. As you can see, it is very easy to remove the case. The headphone jack is perfectly aligned. And let me just show you the buttons etc guys. The buttons are sort of clickable, and yeah, and it is not giving you the best feel, but then it just get the job done. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Even the back is sort of matte, so if you are into having that matte black kind of finish, definitely do check out this particular case because nothing comes this close when it compared to the price point. If you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and do check out some awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular case. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.